China has temporarily banned entry of foreign nations traveling from Canada. Egypt reopened Rafah crossing with Gaza for 4 days. In Syria, 6 people were killed and 25 others were injured when a vehicle packed with explosive material blew up at an industrial site. Putin and Aliyev discussed ceasefire control in Nagorno-Karabakh. Saudi Civil Defense said that a military projectile landed near a hospital in the border city of Jazan. Biden administration support dialogue to find political solution to Afghanistan.